Hey everybody, so I just wanted to give some instructions here for the ecological succession slideshow worksheet. This is another one that goes pretty directly with the slideshow that it's associated with. So again, as you're following along, you'll be pausing at the point where it starts asking about if an example of succession is primary succession. Again, that would be where there was no life there before, either newly exposed or newly formed rock or something similar, or secondary succession, where there were living things there at one point in time, a change happens in the environment, and then new living things start to take over that space again. So you're just saying if it's primary or secondary succession. And again, I've ordered them based on the same order that they are in the presentation itself. So like here, a brush fire burns down grass and other plants before new plants grow in the area after the fire has stopped. That's our first slide here, again, out of these ones that have choices with them. So again, you're going to be looking at each one of these and just labeling it as primary or secondary succession. And then we have a couple little follow-ups here at the end with the reflection questions. So number 7 here, based on these examples, does succession only happen after natural changes, or are some of the changes in the ecology made by people? We'll figure out whether or not people are responsible for some of the changes in our examples. And then 8, if succession suddenly stopped happening, what would happen to the diversity of species then? So think about if that process of succession just did not happen, if things weren't starting to take back over in these areas where life has either been reduced or has not been there at all, what would happen to the diversity of species? We've talked about when succession happens, the diversity of species tends to go up. So what would happen if succession was not happening at all? So again, I hope that this assignment makes sense. Again, it follows along with the slideshow closely, so please make sure that you're looking at that. If you do have any questions about this assignment, please feel free to call me, email me, or you can show up for our science department office hours Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30.